Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Palo Alto, in the northern part of the villages. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco courtyard villa that's located on a golf course. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Palo Alto, very near Tierra del Sol Country Club. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco courtyard villa with a 2-car garage and a golf course view. I will first start by taking a view of the street that is facing east, and that is facing west. As I walk up to this home, I do notice that the driveway is extra long, longer than a normal patio villa neighborhood. Painted concrete is in great condition. And this home is offered by Michelle Hose of eXp Realty. And you can contact her if you have any questions about this home. I will leave her contact information in the description of the video as well. You will see as we walk inside this home, it has many upgrades. You can see that the painted concrete continues in this home. It has a pattern concrete in the foyer or in the front entry area as well. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, Michelle. Would you like to tell us a little bit about this home?
Hi, great. Thank you. Welcome today. We're in the village of Palo Alto in Tierra del Sol. We're in a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,976 square foot golf course villa with the bond paid. We are located on the 5th fairway of Tierra del Sol golf course. We have a 2-car garage and enjoy the tour.
Thank you, Michelle. I'll take my subscribers on a tour. I do appreciate it. Here I am in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful tiled floors. And in that living area, you do see laminate floors as well. Off to the right, you do see a guest living area. You do see the tile floors continuing. Off in this guest area, you do have a guest bathroom. The tile floors continue. It has wood cabinets. It has granite countertops as well. It has plantation shutters. There is a tub in this guest bathroom as well. There is your tub with sliding glass doors. That is a tile surround as well in that tub area. It has raised panel doors as well. Here we are in a laundry area. There is your laundry right there. Stackable laundry units. This laundry does have a solar tube as well. Let's go in the garage and take a look. Here we are in the 2-car garage, which is very rare to find in a courtyard villa. You do see this home has a water softening / filtration system right there. This is a block and stucco home. And you do see the water heater in the corner. That water heater looks like it was replaced in the last few years. It does have a sink in the corner. And from what I was told, the roof was replaced in 2019 and the HVAC system was replaced in the year 2022, I believe. Let's go inside and take a look. Here I am walking in the hallway area. This is a guest bedroom that is laminate floors, plantation shutters. It does have acoustic textured ceilings as well. It does have raised panel bifold doors on the closet as well, and I will show you what those look like. Has wire rack shelf in there, right there. Let's go into that kitchen area and see what we can see. The kitchen does have granite countertops, wood cabinets, very high ceilings, acoustic texture. It has a 2-bowl stainless sink. It has an electric stove. Updated stainless appliances as well. Very nice, very neutrally decorated home. Plantation shutters. I will video the specification sheet. This home is located at 1831 San Gabriel St. here in the Villages. It is on a golf course, the Tierra del Sol golf course. There is your room dimensions there, friends. Let's take a walk through the rest of this home. I will show you what the rest of this home does look like. This is a step down into a lanai area as well. This is a Florida room back here, friends. This is a temperature controlled Florida room. It does face north. Acoustic texture, there it is. You can see it has temperature controlled HVAC ducts in this room, laminate floors. This home shows very well. Let's take you to the showstopper, the patio area. It has a brick paver patio. I believe this is the fairway of hole number 9 of Tierra del Sol golf course. This patio is absolutely huge. Thanks for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Give you a panoramic view of that golf course view. That is the green right there. This is awesome. This home does have a side patio as well, brick paver. This home does have 1,976 square feet of heated area. Very nice. And there is your HVAC system. I believe that was replaced in the year 2022. There you have it. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. And the roof was replaced in the year 2019. This is very serene. Very nice back here. Let's go back inside and take a look. Off to the right of the Florida room is another area that you could use as a craft area. This is the primary bedroom, laminate floors. This is the primary bedroom, very high acoustic texture, crown molding as well. This is the primary bathroom. Does have ceramic tile floors. Off to the left is a separate commode room. It has 2 sinks, granite countertops, wood cabinets. This is your linen closet right there, friends. Your primary bedroom. Wire rack shelves in there. That is a solar tube right up there. It has a frameless shower door. That is a solid surface material. Right there, friends. That is your shower. It has a seat in that shower there as well. Here is another closet in that primary. Oh, it's a walk-in closet. Look at the walk-in closet. Organization shelves, very nice. This home is very neat. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. This is exiting the primary bedroom area. This is a guest bedroom here as well. Laminate floors, acoustic textured ceilings. This is Formica countertops on this office space. It is being used as an office space right now. We do have plantation shutters as well. Next, I will exit this home. I'll give you a panoramic view of this home. I'll give you one last view of that kitchen space. Very neat home. Let's walk back out into that street. I'll show you the rest of this home. As always, friends, please contact your listing agent, Michelle Hose at eXp Real Estate Company. If you have any questions about this home, that is your home. Very quiet neighborhood. There it is, friends. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, courtyard villa, 1,976 square feet, roof installed in 2019, HVAC in 2022, 2-car garage, block and stucco, list price $489,900. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me, located here in the village of Palo Alto. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco courtyard villa is offered at $489,900. Have a great week, everyone.